Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I've used my air fryer for many different recipes, but can you cook a whole chicken in the air fryer? Some people say that you can, but I'm not quite convinced. I'm going to be testing out my air fryer today and trying to cook a whole chicken. Wish me luck. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get air frying. I'm going to start with the whole chicken. This is 3 pounds and it's roughly 1.3 kilos. I'm just going to give this a very simple marinade. 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. This is going to give the chicken a really nice color. And I'm going to use this Tajin spice. I'm adding a teaspoon followed by some coarse salt to taste and a half teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just going to rub this marinade all over the bird. I have my air fryer heating up just for a few minutes, and now for the test. I have the Ninja Air Fryer XL. This is a 4-quart basket and I'm nervous that my chicken is not going to fit in here. I'm just going to shove this in and cover it with all of the additional marinade. This is a tight squeeze, but I'm going to cram it in and hope for the best. I'm going to set my air fryer for 25 minutes. If this works, this is going to be a record time for me for cooking a whole bird. According to the manufacturer instructions, it's always a good idea to shake the contents. However, given that this bird is crammed in the basket, shaking it is not going to do too much. Because my basket is too small for the bird, the top is actually touching the heating element and you can see that it's getting really dark at the top. Should I just transfer this to the oven now? Nah, I'm just going to flip it over and see what happens. In retrospect, if I had just spatchcocked the bird, aka cut off the spine, this would have given me more room in the basket to cook the bird. Even though it's a tight squeeze, the bird is perfectly cooked in 25 minutes. And the skin is super crisp. I would happily roast whole chickens in my air fryer over and over again. I also noticed that the cooking in the air fryer results in a very moist bird. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this amazing experiment. Turns out you can actually cook your chicken in the air fryer. There are just some things that you have to be aware of, the size of your air fryer and the size of your chicken, and you will have a beautiful crispy skin just like the rotisserie chicken. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and also ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love my videos, do share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy them as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.